Alright my friends, so for this week, a quick simple video. I'm taking a couple days off, but I have received a new product by DIY Detail. It's called the Trim, Restore and Protect, a new product with new technology combining a dye product, black dye, with ceramic coating technologies. So this is a new innovative product by DIY Detail. Today I have a Honda Pilot 2018 if I'm not mistaken. So the trims, the window trims are really trash. We're gonna do a demo install. We're gonna restore the trim just like new with this product. So let's get to it. So it goes without saying, this product was built to restore and protect faded plastic trim, not the glossy one, the piano black. We're talking here about the porous matte or satin black plastic, the one that you get on the B-pillar or at the bottom of the car. And in today's market, some cars have them all over the place. Subaru, to name just this brand. Okay, before we start the demo and the install, I'll show you a couple things that we're gonna need to get really the best result here and the better prep. So you're gonna need a polisher with an old pad. So I always like to keep a pad that I damage, and I keep them for dirty jobs, just like this one. And then we're gonna use the gold standard polish to polish our trims. And then you're gonna need an APC. In this instance, it's all clean at 15:1, already pre-diluted in the ready-to-use version of the APC. Wipe off the polishing oils really fast, and then you panel prep it, and you're ready to apply your product. And then for the application, you can use many different applicator, but DIY recommends that you use an old microfiber. Again, something that you will be ready to throw away. So in this instance, I'm using an old weave towel that is caked up with ceramic coatings that we used before. So we're gonna cut ourselves a couple pieces of that to apply the product, wipe off the residue, and wipe off the excess around the window trims. Now for myself, I cut 3 pieces for the application, a smaller one to apply the product. You only need a couple drops, maybe 1 or 2 drops to apply the product. And then I like to have a bigger piece to wipe off my residue. So after we apply the product itself on the trim, quick wipe off, just very simple wipe off after 2 minutes. So with this third piece, I will wipe off any excess that I might have pushed on the chrome trims, on the windows, or maybe on the paint. Nothing to worry about, this getting wiped off really easily, but more on that later in this video. So if you have some bigger trims, you can maybe use a big block like this, it's up to you. So let's not waste any time and let's get into the install. Alright my friends, so I lost the audio from the install, so I'll just do a voiceover for this. So as you can see, the trim is pretty beat up. It has some ghosting effect, it has some drip lines, milky appearance, really uneven look to the finish. So this is really a good example for today's video for this product. It's going to be a nice challenge to restore this in much better condition. So let's get to it. Now we're going to use the PXC80 from Flex as our polisher with the Lake Country heavy polishing blue pad HDO, 1 or 2 small spray of gold standard polish. So it's not paint correction, I'll just go over the trims a couple times to remove the oxidation and remove all that nastiness. So there you go, we have some black residue, so that's the oxidation, that's some of the nasty stuff that we pulled from the trim itself. This is why I want to use an old pad, an old damaged pad that you keep just for the job like this. So after the first step, obviously we're going to wipe our polished residue. So we're still on the first step of the preparation process. Look at the trim, we're already making progress. So the trim is looking really greasy, so we're gonna have to remove that polishing oils with the APC. Couple spray in my towel, wipe off that clean. Then again, it's looking already so much better, but the finish is really uneven and it's still a little bit too shiny for my taste. Now we're going to use the DIY Detail panel prep the same way that we'd use the APC. Couple spray, wipe off, make sure this is prepped, make sure we remove all the polishing oils and ready to accept the Restore and Protect. Now I've taken my small microfiber piece. We're going to do 1 or 2 drops in the microfiber piece itself and apply our product evenly, but let's not overthink the process, just apply the product everywhere. Then again, I'm taking my time to apply this evenly and work my edges really nice. Make sure we have product everywhere on every single square inch. Now, according to the instruction, we have to wait 2 minutes before wiping it off with another microfiber towel. Now, while we wait our 2 minutes, I'll take my third piece of microfiber and make sure I wipe off any excess that I might have pushed on the window on the chrome trim for this car. So I just had a little bit of product on the chrome trim, but this is not as dark as something like a solution finish, and it wiped off really clean, really quick, no issue here. Now it's been about 2 minutes, let's wipe this off clean and let's make sure we don't have any microfiber marks. Alright, so it seems like we didn't pull much from wiping off the product, but it seems like Trim, Restore and Protect penetrated the plastic really well, so it's self-leveling to some degree, and we're gonna wait overnight. We'll let this dry. I'll pull the car outside and show you the result in natural light. Now guys, take a good look at the before. This is where we started, and let's get to the final results. Alright, what's up guys? This is an update for the Protect and Restore from DIY Detail. Look at the trim on the window pillar. Got a nice finish all the way around. Not too glossy like I said, not too matte, just perfect, right? So it's pretty restored as you can see. Love it. By the way, on this car we did a wash decon, wheels and tires. So we cleaned the wheels with Meguiar's wheel brightener and the tires with Bola solution wheel and tire cleaner brown remover. So after that I did a polish, one step, quick one step. So it came from yellow to a nice pearl white. And we did the CarPro dark side on the tires. And finally we applied the DIY ceramic 3 years on the paint. And for the rest of the trim we only did CarPro Pearl at 3-to-1 just to finish it off. I did not include the whole Protect and Restore, just the window trim for this one. We'll play with the product when I have more time next time around. Alright my friends, so I hope you liked the before and after. For me, I was really impressed because those trims were pretty much caked up with oxidation, fingerprints, grease and all that jazz. So with a quick polish, we brought them back to an acceptable level, but it was too greasy. So with the APC, the panel prep, we removed that and then we applied the Restore and Protect. So we actually filled the color a little bit more. We went to get more depth in the black trim. Unfortunately, I won't be able to keep up with this car and to check out on the water beading or the durability of this product. But in any case, this video was just a quick overview and demo of the install on this car for this product. So if you guys are really excited about this product, you'll get a different view, a different perspective in my video. So I remind you, I'll have the link in the description for this product. You can use my code DOGMA, save some money. So at $50, it's great value. You can coat a lot of plastic with this. You only use 2 droplets per side of the car for the window trims. But once again, I was really impressed with this product, with the before and after, from how far the trim came. So I was a little bit worried about the fact that this product has some black dye in it, But in the end, nothing to be afraid of. I pushed some extra on the chrome pieces, really easy to wipe off, no staining, no issue. I even spilled some on my wood counter and it wiped off clean, no staining. If they included the dye in this product, I'm guessing this had to be in there to really get a good darkening effect and a good restoring and protection product. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the demo. We'll have the chance to play more with this product in the future. I hope you enjoyed the quick video for this week. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description and I'll see you guys in the next one.